Okay, this is the audio for Lesson 13 and Lesson 14 Learning Check. The instructions. Open Desmos in another window so you can use it to plot points and write the equation of lines. Number 1. What is the equation of the line that goes through the points -1, 1 and 1, 5? Hint. Plot these points in Desmos. Y equals 2x plus 3. Y equals -2x plus 3, y equals 2x plus 5, y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Number 2. What is the equation of a line that goes through the points -2, 4, and has a slope of -1/2? Y equals -1/2 x plus 3, y equals -1/2 x minus 3, y equals -2x plus 3, y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Number 3. What is the equation of a line with an x-intercept of 3 and a y-intercept of -4? Y equals 4 over 3x minus 4, y equals -4 over 3x minus 4, y equals -4x plus 3, y equals 3 over 4x minus 4. Number 4. Which best represents the equation of the line graphed? Y equals 2x minus 3, y equals 1/2 x minus 3, y equals 2x, y equals -2x minus 3. Number 5. Which best represents the equation of the line graphed? Y equals 5, x equals 5. Number 6. What is the equation of a vertical line through the point 4, -5? X equals 4, x equals -5, y equals -5, y equals 4. Number 7. What is the domain of the function in the table? Okay. Number 8. Which best represents the transformation from the parent function f of x equals x to the new function g of x equals 1/3 x minus 4? G of x is shifted down 4 units and is 1/3 as steep. G of x is shifted up 4 units and is 3 times as steep. G of x is shifted down 4 units and is 3 times as steep. G of x shifted up 4 units and is 1/3 as steep. Number 9. Which graph appears to have exactly 1, 0? And number 10. What is the slope of the line through the point 0, 3, and 5, 0? Hint. Don't forget to plot the points in Desmos and determine if the slope is positive or negative. -5 over 3, 5 over 3, 3 over 5, -3 over 5.